So today we are going to start with preparation of hydrogen. Okay. Now in preparation of hydrogen, we have the preparation with some metals also. So we will start with only laboratory preparation. Okay. Now in the laboratory preparation, the reaction is what? Zinc reacts with 2HCl. Okay, it will give you what? ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. Here hydrogen gas is being produced. Okay, so see here, instead of HCl gas, okay, hydrogen chloride gas, we can even use sulfuric acid H2SO4 with zinc. Zinc plus H2SO4, it will give you what? ZnSO4 plus H2 gas. Hydrogen gas is being produced here. Okay. Now in the laboratory preparation, okay, out of these two acids, one more acid we have, that is HNO3. Now we do not prefer this acid. Nitric acid is not preferred during the laboratory preparation of hydrogen. Now why we do not prefer this acid? Because nitric acid is a strong, oxidizing agent. It is a strong oxidizing agent. Now what does oxidizing agent does? It brings oxidation in the other substance. Oxidation means what? Addition of oxygen in the other substance. So what will happen here is, when we will treat this acid, so this hydrogen what is formed here, this hydrogen will combine with oxygen released by this acid. This acid will release what? Oxygen. Okay, and it will combine to form H2O. Are you getting? Instead of hydrogen, what it will form? H2O, water, which is not the required product. What we require? We require here is what? Hydrogen. We are studying the preparation of hydrogen. So why we are not preferring nitric acid for this reaction? Because it is a strong oxidizing agent. It will bring oxidation in the other substance. So what it will do? It will react with hydrogen and it will form what? Water. So water is not the desired product. It is not our product. We require what? Hydrogen. Are you getting, everyone?
Yes.
Are you getting? This is the first condition for the laboratory preparation of hydrogen. Now the next we have, there are two reactants. Yes or no? There are two reactants. Now we have discussed about the first reactant, that is acid. Which acid we can use? We can use hydrochloric acid as well as sulfuric acid. Now both of them are dilute. They are what? Dilute acids. They are what? Dilute acids. Are you getting? Now this reaction is also a displacement reaction. Yes or no? Displacement हो रहा है ना? यहाँ पे क्या है? We have A plus BC which gives you what? AB plus C. मिल रहा है कि नहीं? है ना? हाइड्रोजन क्या हो रहा है यहाँ से? Displace. Sorry, AC plus B. Actually, है ना? B replace हो रहा है ना यहाँ से? Are you getting? So it is a single displacement reaction also. Okay. The second condition. Now we will talk about the first reactant. What we are using here is zinc. Okay. Now why we prefer zinc only? Why not any other metal than zinc? The first reason to prefer is that it is cheap. It is cheap. Are you getting? It is cheaply available. The next reason is that this zinc comes with an impurity. It has an impurity and that impurity is copper. Copper. Okay, zinc के metal में थोड़ी सी impurity होती है and that impurity is what? Copper. Are you getting? So why we are preferring this is because copper will act as a catalyst. It will act as a catalyst in the reaction. Now what is the work of a catalyst? Catalyst only speeds up the
Reaction.
it speeds up the reaction and it does not react anywhere in the reaction. Are you getting? The purpose of catalyst is what? It only speeds up the reaction. it does not react anywhere. Are you getting, everyone? Are you getting? See the condition. Zinc. Why zinc is preferred? Cheap and comes with impurity copper. Copper acts as a catalyst. It speeds up the reaction and does not react. Because there are these reactions sometimes take more time to complete, and we want a reaction to complete in a few short period of time. So for that we require usually what? Catalyst. Other metals are somewhat highly expensive than this. Okay, are you getting? दोनों condition पता चल गई reactant के बारे में? Yes. The product is what? This is what? Salt, है ना? And we have hydrogen gas. So how you will remember this equation? We will study the equation with word equation. तुमको पहले क्या याद होना चाहिए? Word equation. Now what is the word equation? Metal plus acid, है ना? What it is giving you? Salt and hydrogen gas. This is the reaction. Then you can substitute. Are you getting? Now this is laboratory preparation reaction for hydrogen. Let us discuss the diagram. Now diagram में भी थोड़ा बहुत हमको देखना है. Now equation is clear to you? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. See here. We have a stand. We have one round bottom flask. This is a rough diagram which is drawing. Okay, we have burner from below. Now in this round bottom flask there is a cork. In this cork there are two holes. There are two holes. From the first cork, from the first hole we have a crystal funnel. We have a crystal funnel. Then from the next hole we have a bent tube. Okay, wherein we have hydrogen collected. Okay. Now see here, in this round bottom flask what is there? We have zinc plus acid. I have told you we can use two acid, na? Any of the acid. Okay, hydrogen chloride use करो या फिर H2SO4. Now just see the diagram. From this crystal funnel, this is what? Crystal funnel. Now from the crystal funnel what we are going to add is acid. What we will add here is acid from the crystal funnel. What we need to remember is that the tip, the end of this crystal funnel, it should be dipped into the solution. मतलब हम ऊपर से acid इतना डालेंगे कि इसका जो tip है वो dip होना चाहिए उस solution के अंदर. Why? What is the reason? Because when zinc will react with acid, तुरंत reaction होके क्या मिलेगा हमको? Hydrogen gas के form में मिलेगा. अगर इसका dip नहीं होगा अंदर, so hydrogen gas will escape out from the crystal funnel. Are you getting? So we don't want that, na? We want to collect hydrogen gas. So the hydrogen gas should not escape out through the crystal funnel. Hence the tip should be dipped into the solution. Are you getting? Then we have this bent tube. Now when the tip is dipped, the reaction will occur as you pour the acid. So hydrogen gas will move from the bent tube, okay, and it will get collected here. Now there is what? Water filled here. This is a inverted jar and this is your water trough. This is water trough. This is water trough. In this we have an inverted jar, okay. Now जब हम jar को dip करेंगे तो इसमें water तो fill होगा ही. Yes or no? So what will happen here is when hydrogen gas will start getting collected in this trough, okay, ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे करके है कुछ, okay. Now when the hydrogen gas starts entering here, so gas will form, okay, and it will pressurize the water to move down. Are you getting? Gas जैसे जैसे collect होगी, it will pressurize the water to move down. So what is the collection method? Collection is what? Downward. It is known as downward displacement of water. Downward displacement of water. This is the collection method. Why downward displacement? Because water is getting displaced down as the hydrogen gas is being collected. Are you getting, everyone? Now, why we only collect by downward displacement of water? Why we do not collect it over air? हम air पे क्यों नहीं collect कर रहे हैं hydrogen को? Because hydrogen is Yes or no? So it can catch what? Fire very easily. Are you getting? Hydrogen will react with air. Okay. Oxygen is a supporter of combustion. Hydrogen is flammable in nature. दोनों combine हो जाएंगे और क्या हो जाएगा? Burning start हो जाएगा. It will explode. Okay. So hence we do not collect it over air. Now downward displacement of water पे हम लोग गैस को collect कर रहे हैं because hydrogen is insoluble in water. Why we are collecting? Because hydrogen is insoluble in water. It is completely insoluble in water. Now what are the precautions what we have to take? One is the tip of the thistle funnel should be dipped into the solution. Next is the apparatus should be free from air. It should be what? Free from air. This we have to confirm. पहले जब हाइड्रोजन गैस रिएक्शन स्टार्ट होता है तो पहले जो गैस निकलती है वो थोड़ी सी हम रिलीज कर देते हैं, उसको नहीं कलेक्ट करते हैं बिकॉज मे बी दैट एयर मे बी प्रेजेंट इन द apparatus. Yes or no? So we release that gas and then later on we start collecting the gas by downward displacement of water. Are you getting? This is laboratory preparation of hydrogen. समझ में आ रहा है सबको यहाँ पे? Now we are going to start with Bosch process. Okay, in this process we have to see the reaction. First we have coke, red hot coke. Coke means carbon. Okay, चारकोल देखा है ना सबने? कोयला वो देखा है ना, जब हम हीट करते हैं वो रेड हॉट हो जाता है. Yes or no? So red hot coke carbon is treated with steam. It is treated with steam. That is water के gaseous form. Okay, it is treated with steam at 1000 degrees Celsius. At 1000 degrees Celsius, it gives us CO plus H2, a mixture of water gas. This is known as what? Water gas. This is known as what? Water gas. Are you getting? It is a mixture of carbon monoxide with hydrogen. Carbon monoxide with hydrogen is known as what? Water gas. And carbon monoxide with nitrogen is known as producer gas. It is known as what? Producer gas. Are you getting? ये producer gas है और ये क्या है? Water gas. So we will concentrate on water gas. Okay. Now see, what is the first reaction for the Bosch process? This is industrial process. Okay. To prepare hydrogen, red hot coke is passed over steam at 1000 degrees Celsius. It will give you a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. This is known as water gas. Okay. Now this water gas will be treated with water again. It will be treated with water again. I guess the temperature. Wait, temperature. See here. Now the next equation is that water gas. This is our water gas. You again treat it with what? Steam. At what temperature? 450 to 500 degrees Celsius. And here we are using catalyst. This is catalyst. Iron oxide and chromium oxide is a catalyst used here. Okay. Now what it will give us? It will give us carbon dioxide plus.
This is to the attention of the teachers. For the teachers.
See here. So this is the next equation, that is carbon dioxide and water is formed here. Are you getting? Now what we are studying here is sorry. Water means hydrogen. We are studying the preparation of hydrogen. So here see CO2 and we have 2H2. Okay. Are you getting? These are the two equations for the industrial preparation of the Bosch process. Now, first equation में hydrogen is prepared, but it is with carbon monoxide. Again, here also hydrogen is prepared, but it is with carbon dioxide. So we need what? Pure hydrogen. Yes or no? So we need to free this hydrogen from these two gases. अब हमको free और pure hydrogen कैसे मिलेगा? How we will get this? We have to remove here what? Carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Yes or no? So पहला method, we have to what? Get pure hydrogen. Pure hydrogen चाहिए. In the second equation we have what? Carbon dioxide, and in the first equation we have carbon monoxide. How you will remove this? Removal process. How you will remove the carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide? Carbon dioxide निकालने के लिए we have two process. First you can pass it by water. Water से pass करो. Okay. In high pressure water will be passed. So water will combine with carbon dioxide. H2O plus CO2 गैस कंबाइन होगा और ये क्या देगा? H2CO3 कार्बोनिक एसिड. What it will form? कार्बोनिक एसिड और ये निकल जाएगा. So hydrogen is free. Okay. The next method for the removal of carbon dioxide is we have to treat it with alkali KOH plus CO2 gas. So it will give you KHCO3 carbonate दे देगा. Are you getting what it will give you? KHCO3 a carbonate. Okay. There is no reaction shown here. There is no reaction shown in your textbook. Okay. तो तुमको ऐसे ही याद रखना है. एल्कली में तुम सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड भी यूज कर सकते हो. ओके. यू कैन ट्रीट इट विद सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. ये कार्बोनेट फॉर्म होके निकल जाएगा. ओके. आर यू गेटिंग? दिस इज हाउ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विल बी रिमूव. द नेक्स्ट वन इज कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. हाउ यू विल रिमूव कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड? वी नीड टू पास इट ओवर अमोनिकल कॉपर क्लोराइड सोल्यूशन. CuCl2 से पास करना है अमोनिकल कॉपर क्लोराइड. सो इट विल फॉर्म CuCl2.CO. एक एडिशन प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म हो जाएगा. ओके. अमोनिकल कॉपर क्लोराइड से जब पास करेंगे तो ये इसके साथ ऐड हो जाएगा. इस कंपाउंड का कोई नाम नहीं है. देयर इज नो स्पेसिफिक नेम. इट इज ओनली एन एडिशन प्रोडक्ट. एडिशन प्रोडक्ट क्यों बोलेंगे? बिकॉज वी हैव अ डॉट हियर. ये इसके साथ कंबाइंड है तो ये ऐसे ही निकल जाएगा. एंड देन वी विल गेट व्हाट? प्योर एंड फ्री hydrogen gas in the Bosch process. I hope that you are able to understand.